Are they really worth $16?
What's up, people? Jheri J here. Hey, and if you want to take control of your 4C hair life, start today. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's jump in.
Okay, guys, we got two masks here from Camille Rose. They're both $16, and I just want to try out to see if they're really worth it. I mean, $16 is a high price for a deep conditioner. So on this side, we're going to be doing the Buriti Repair, and this side, we're going to be doing the Nectar. They're both protein treatments, okay? I read the back of them, and they're supposed to be for repairing damage, split ends. This one even says to repair heat damaged hair. Now, I don't have heat damaged hair. I'm pretty sure I got a split end somewhere, but my hair is nowhere near damaged. That doesn't mean that I can't test it out and let you know if it's worth $16. First up is the cholesterol treatment. It is beige in color. Honestly, I like seeing, honestly, I like seeing deep conditioners that's beige in color, because then I know there's probably more than likely no added chemicals to make it a powder white. So let's take down this twist here. My hair is freshly shampooed and semi-detangled. If you're new to this channel,
Hi.
You should know that I dry detangle before I apply any water or anything to my head. Oh, this is pretty thick. It's creamy. It really is creamy. I can't tell you what it smells like because it smells really good, but it smells like it's a little fruity, but it's not heavy at all. Now it's going on really smooth to my hair, like truly it is. Camille Rose actually have some amazing products. A lot of people ask me, did I use her A1 deep conditioner? And I love that deep conditioner. Here's the thing, the reason why it's not a staple of mine is because it only gives me like 1.5 uses, and it's $20, and it's not worth the buy to me. I'm not paying $20 for one deep condition, so yeah. Like it's not liquidy, but it's not like too thick. It's almost like the right texture that you want from a deep conditioner. So yeah, all right. I think I'm coated. And it does have slip. I give it that. This deep conditioner feels like it's gonna be like amazing when I apply some heat to it. Like it feels like it's gonna like work its magic for real. Now, if it passed the test back here on my 4B texture, wait, my comb is stuck. Whew, I almost killed myself. If it passed the test on my 4B texture, then it's worth it, because my hair back here is the hair that tangles the most. And yes, it's, you know, thick and it's, you know, cute, whatever, but if I have 4B hair like all over my head, no, I think I would have short hair because it just tangles too fast for me. I got my hair pretty coated here, and it feels good. Like it doesn't feel hard at all, especially with it being a protein treatment. So even though the product looks like it's sitting on top of my strands, I feel like once I apply heat, then I will actually, you know, the product will actually penetrate. So that's how I feel. Now, if it's really gonna do it, who knows? Okay, so we're gonna twist this back up. And we're gonna move to the other side. We are on the other side, and this one is a little bit more white in color, but it still has like a beige tint. And this is the nectar. Now this smells like a powder, like a feminine powder. And it's really, really pleasant. It's very light, it's not loud, so I appreciate that. The other one's not loud either. I just can't describe the smell that good. Ooh, I'm dripping. Same similar texture. This smells really, really good, like really, really good. It's really creamy. I think when she made these products, she got the texture down point. Because this is like the perfect texture of spreading a deep conditioner onto your hair. Now, if you're thinking, do I need a cholesterol treatment? Girl, I don't know. I really don't know. I personally only heard of needing protein and moisture when it comes to deep conditioning. Cholesterol, I mean, is it another word for just protein? Probably so. I would say the only con to these deep conditioners is the name. Like seriously, the names are just like ridiculous. Like, can we please have something easy to say? I literally had to look these deep conditioners up and had somebody else pronounce it for me before I said it on camera, so I wouldn't embarrass myself. Okay, I'm pretty coated here, and the slip is amazing, like truly amazing on both of these deep conditioners. I think it's because she has the texture like correct. This one here actually does feel like it's penetrating a little bit more. Like it don't feel like it looks like it, but it don't feel like it's sitting on top of my hair. But with both of these, I do think that you will have to have some source of heat for the product to fully penetrate. This one smells really good. It's like a feminine baby powder or something. This is how my hair is looking. I'm going to twist this up, and I'm going to go do the rest of my hair off camera. And I'm going to be back once I rinse these deep conditioners out to give you my opinion. I'm going to sit under a steam cap for about an hour. Truly, an hour. So, see you soon. We are back from rinsing out the deep conditioners, and let's just jump right in. Okay. Woo. So, let's talk about the nectar first. I really love the scent of this product here. Like, I am so in love with it. It's ridiculous. So, this is how my hair looks with it. It didn't fully rinse out. Like, I do rinse out my hair and twist, but that is a lot of product that's left over there. So let me take the towel here and kind of damp it a little bit. But this is how my hair looks. So I know it's a strengthening mask, and my hair feels rough. Like, it feels rough. Like, rough. I know protein treatments are supposed to strengthen and make your hair strong, but this is a little bit too strong for me. Like, too strong. This would be a no-go. Like, an extreme no-go for me, because my hair is rough. Like, I feel like if I keep doing this to it, then I'm gonna break a couple of strands because it's just that rough. So we're not gonna play in it much longer because I'm not gonna break my own hair. Okay, so that's that side there. Let's talk about the other one here. As you can see, not as much, but still some product left over. And this too feels rough. Again, it's a protein treatment, but this is a little bit too rough for me. Like really rough. But this is how my hair looks. Now, I would say this side is softer than, nope, they both feel the same. They both feel the absolute same. Sorry, Team J, this would not be a repurchase for me at all. Like, at all. This is just a little bit too strong. I mean, my hair is moisturized, don't get me wrong, but it's rough. It's extremely rough to the touch, and I'm not okay with that feeling. So, my natural hair life group, this would not be in the giveaways. They will not be in the giveaways because I'm only going to send products to you guys that I know work. And I am not, I don't want to lie to y'all. And I would never do you guys wrong. Not this wrong. Ooh, Jesus. So thank you guys for watching this comparison. These deep conditioners, again, were $16. Are they worth it? No. No, no, no. But be sure to check out How to Deep Condition Like a Pro, that playlist where I post all the deep conditioners that I review for you. And if you have a recommendation that you want me to try out, you want to recommend the next deep conditioner, leave it in the comments below. I'll check it out. I'll let you know when that video is uploaded and all that jazzy stuff. Be sure to check that description box, because if you do want to join the team and want to be entered for these giveaways, you got to go on Facebook. You just got to go on Facebook. So I'll see you guys next time.